The Energy Circle. The Energy Circle. Energy. The Energy Circle.
He's taken it upon himself to discipline couples, okay? So this chief canes anyone who is caught having, twa in public or sleeping with someone else's spouse. And this chief said that he's feared by many, and he says that the spread of HIV in the area is rampant and he wants to change people's behavior. And he claims he has resorted to this strange method of punishment since most residents are notorious and vichwa ngumu.
Do you think he's doing something right now by caning them?
Caning them.
When you see someone, doing the business in public, like pulling your monkey.
You know what? Yeah,
Yes.
guys, for as long as I've known about chiefs, a long time ago, chiefs used to be the guys. They used to be the bosses, and still are in a lot of places. Machifu wamekuwa kichapa watu tangu kitambo. I'll give you guys two examples.
Yeah.
You guys know in Wakirito when they say Nabibia Onjivo. Onjivo is a chief. A chief, of course, even if you mess with his wife, just know you're in trouble. Also, there's another situation where Calligraph, I think he talked about if you want trouble, come to me and touch if you go to the chief's what do you call it, chief's camp, and take down the flag. That is the day you'll know you've actually messed up. And also watu wa kuiba kuku, watu wa kuwa madeni, chiefs actually, I think they have the right to do that. It's like,
they have the right to
I
cane
believe
people.
so. I think that's been there since like the colonial times,
What?
man. Because obviously, Daria, you'd rather be caned.
Isn't that my business?
You'd rather be caned. No, it's not your business spreading HIV like you said.
No, not spreading HIV.
Stealing
I'm not
chicken.
saying that aspect, but what if I just want to be with someone else who's not my spouse?
It's not.
If
It's
someone
illegal.
makes that decision.
It is illegal by the constitution,
illegal,
Daria.
So
You
you're
cannot
saying
be
we
with
should go
somebody else's
arrest
wife.
all the men that are cheating and all the women
If
that
you
are
find
cheating?
them, that's why they're always arrested. If you're caught with somebody's wife or partner,
What? You're arrested when you're caught cheating?
Ojai watching news, Kwani, when you go and bust them, it's actually against the law.
What?
Yeah, guys.
Since when,
when you're
Shaq?
getting married, you sign a paper at the Attorney General, straight from the Attorney General. Kwani Ojai and a wedding, they usually sign a paper from the Attorney General. It's by law, guys. So obviously you're breaking the law by being out there. That's why I tell people stay single and mingle. That's the thing.
So
Don't
you're
go
saying
mingle
he has
with.
the right to cane them?
This is for as long
I'd
as I've
rather
known
that.
my knowledge.
I'd rather that.
Yeah.
To be caught and then caned than
to be
rather go to
arrested.
jail and
Exactly.
be arrested for just having fun with someone else's wife.
At the end of the day, even if you take them to jail, sometimes the person doesn't change. They still come out and maybe they cheat in
Even if
secret.
you're caned.
You cane them, they still cheat in secret. Is it really a solution?
When you're in primary, Daria, or you caned once. You didn't change. You were caned a couple of times. So it's just
I
a
still
thing.
haven't changed.
Look at
Okay.
you. And you need an chief right now. Then.
The Energy Circle. The Energy Circle.
Don't stop the party.